wanted adventures. Experience fear, excitement, wonder. I wanted kicks. The kind of melodramatic thrills and chills I'd yearned for since childhood. I wanted to see the world, and I wanted the world to be just like the movies. But you know what? To me, the world is not like the movies. The movies aren't real. They don't exist. But you do. And this life it's better than any movie. I have a better idea. Go out into the world and actually feel it. Make your life your own movie. Actually make it better than a movie. Not better because it's more adventurous or more romantic or more melodramatic. Make it better because it's real.